Field testing the gonkulator. Caps lock. Caps unlock. Caps lock and key. Caps lock nest monster. I'm sliced.
Again.
I can't do it.
Again.
I said I can't, Morpheus. I know this is just training, but that was a quad-core sequence cipher. My suddenly Susan protocols won't budget.
Your hexer name is number 2, but that does not forgive a shitty attitude. You must be ready. There is great danger.
I know great danger coming, I know, but how will I be elite enough to stop it?
Observe.
Whoa, but you have a power glove, Master. I use my bare hands.
Negatronic. You jack in with the strength of NordVPN, providers of the highest quality encryption for internet traffic, and it hides your IP and physical location. Available on every major platform including Windows, iOS, Android, and Linux. Go to nordvpn.com/criticalrole or use code criticalrole to get a 2-year plan plus 1 additional month at a discount.
Master, you already taught me that with 5,400 servers in 59 countries, it's easier to get better internet speed and protection with 1 click.
So what is it that's holding you back?
I don't know.
Say it.
I don't know!
Say it!
I'm scared, okay? I'm scared! of becoming a gleaming cube of cake like Black Willow 69 at AOL.com.
Good.
What?
The 2 greatest forces of computing are fear and love. Black Willow knew it. So did the Ultra Codex. Use that fear, wire it into your synapses, and reboot it into love. Turn 1s and 0s into 6s and 9s.
Nice.
I'll try, Master.
Now, focus on Liam's camera feed. Seduce the encryption. Hug the code.
Oh, yeah. I can feel it.
Now, stick your thing in, flip it, and reverse it with love.
Oh, shit, my water!
Wait, why is nothing else on my table falling?
Because I love you so damn much!
Chronic. Next, Ashley and Marisha, change their positions with your romantic hacking.
I'm doing it! I'm sorry, Ashley and Marisha. I'm still new at this.
It's okay, I guess.
Perfect strangers. Now do Laura.
Wait, no! What if I hurt her?
You're scared. So harness that fear into your magnificent hacker deltoids. Let it course through you through those elite haptic biceps and flex it to become
Love! I did it! I hacked it with the power of love!
Wow, that was amazing.
Yeah, because I'm the only man you've ever loved, right?
Today, you have truly earned the name, number 2.
Master, what was that?
Oh, you'll find out. Next time NordVPN sponsors this show, Matt, hack to you.
Oh. Wow. Thank you. I mean...
What a bit.
Look out, Academy. Thank you, Travis.
You're welcome.
And thank you, NordVPN, for enabling.
Send the trophy to the POS box.
Second song is sponsored for tonight.
Did you say the POS box?
Oh, piece of shit box. Yeah. We got one of those.